That's James Walker-Powell from More for Life Financial Services, and this is our third edition of Fund Manager Friday. And today we've got a special guest, Dr. Don from Plato. Dr. Don deals with particular Australian shares. And Don, tell me a little bit about Plato and what they do.
Yeah, well, the thing that's different about us is that we focus on a particular type of client, which is retirees. And retirees are no longer have a wage to live off, so they want regular income, and so we focus on generating a high level of Australian equity income for retirees. Noting that if you're retired and you're in a superannuation, that your first $1.9 million of assets per person is tax-free, and you get a full refund of franking. And the only place that you get franking credits is from Australian shares.
Tell me about the franking credits. How does that work?
Well, so franking credits are very important for retirees. So franking credit is a tax credit that comes with a fully franked dividend from an Australian company. So if you have a BHP or a Westpac or a Combank and they pay, say, a $1 dividend, there'll be a franking credit or a tax credit attached to that dividend, which is just a credit for the tax that the company's already paid.
So how does that play into, say, a tax-free environment such as a pension?
So for every $1 fully franked dividends, you get a 43 when you round it up cent tax refund from the government at the end of the year. Yeah. So that dividend's not worth $1; it's worth $1.40.
They get a refund.
They get a refund. Yeah.
From the government.
From the government. That's
right. That has to be a good thing, doesn't it?
Well, it makes a huge difference, because if you look at the cash yield on the market, it's about 4.5%. When you put franking credits in it, it's almost 6%. So it's nearly about 1.5% per annum, which is a nice little extra boost. And for our fund, because we generate a lot more of these things, we're getting more like 2.5% per annum.
So 4.5% to 6% just because of the franking credit.
That's right. Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, great for retirees.
Fantastic. Well, folks, that's Dr. Don. And if you want any further information on the Plato Fund, you can give me a call. Cheers.